Here we are, Tijuana, Mexico. I'm here with my friend and patient, Isaiah Stewart. Now, buddy, you've been coming down to Mexico. This is your, second, third trip?
Mm-hmm.
Now, what kind of stuff were you expecting? Because I know horror stories.
Yeah.
Okay, what was it like?
It was great. I came into it very open-minded with, not really with a set picture of what to expect, but I knew I was coming down to, do great things for my health and, get better, get stronger. So, that's why I'm here.
Well, you survived to drive down with me.
Yeah.
That's a plus. Yeah. Thank God. And we brought our wives.
Oh, yeah.
Hi, girls. Okay, now you've done a bunch of stuff. Okay, You've done the stem cells, the light bed, and everything else.
Yeah.
Have you? And you've met the staff.
Oh, yeah.
And what do you think of the place?
Great place. Great people. It's great energy, and I'm so happy and blessed that I got a chance to come down here and be able to do these things.
And we're getting adjusted.
Getting adjusted as well.
Yeah, it's a blast. I can hardly wait, man. You're going to kick butt this season.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, and we're in, just a top level athlete, because you can't get more of a top level than you.
No.
That's it. They ain't nothing higher. And to take care of yourself, and you're choosing to do something completely different. Mm-hmm. You're letting your body regenerate instead of taking drugs or things to handle it. You're allowing your body to regenerate.
Yes, sir.
You're going to be changing a lot of people.
Oh, yeah.
Okay, so you're looking at a maverick, not just in sports, but in changing the world. Because, I mean, you got, I don't want to say headstrong, I don't want to say head smart. You're looking at how the body works, how to regenerate it. Is totally altered his strengthening and regeneration. People don't talk about that. How come?
I think it's just because of just how it's always been. It's always been, you have to go, the medication route or the drug route instead of, actually understanding the body and, why certain things happen to the body and digging deeper rather than, just prescribing a drug and thinking it's going to go away. Rather than understanding your body, and once you understand it, you can, actually correct the problem, rather than covering up the problem and something else appears. So
I love that. Yeah. So instead of covering up the symptom, regenerating the body and learning how it works, because they don't even teach this stuff. Okay. So now what could you tell people? Okay. That high level, mid-level sports, they get injuries and stuff. Yeah. And the current therapy is chemical therapy where they're going to get an injection or drug or something. But that doesn't help the body regenerate. What could you tell someone that's stuck in that old paradigm and could go the enlightened side where you are?
Yeah. Me personally, I would tell them, take that leap of faith to, actually learn about your body, dig deeper and, understand and, teach yourself, why and, actually, do your research before you just, listen to whatever the doctor, have to say to you or prescribe to you. Take the time out, do your research on your body. And, once you do the research, I feel like, that can help you, obviously learn more about your body and, and that will make you want to, do the natural things instead of, just taking the medication, which in the long term just hurts your body.
You can't say it any better than that. I mean, instead of covering up the symptom, you're regenerating.
Yeah.
Yeah. And I know you got a baby on the way too.
Oh yeah. Baby boy.
Okay. Yeah. Yeah. Okay. That's going to be a blast. Hey. How would you like to have a dad that's in a natural health that is into, I mean, they say kids pick the parents. That's a smart kid.
Oh yeah.
Buddy, thank you so much, because this is inspiring. I mean, not just, what you're doing on the court. I mean, you're taking charge of a whole different world.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, instead of just going along and just saying, okay, just shoot me, because you can't cover up symptoms with cortisone or anything else. That destroys joint cartilage. You regenerate, then the body can continually regrow.
Oh yeah, most definitely. Yeah.
Thanks, brother.
Thank you.
Oh my God, you rocked, man.